Hello students, welcome to my video lecture. First Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed solutions of practical problems of sets. Okay, today we are going to discuss relation. Okay, first class of relation, that is Cartesian product. Okay, the first ordered pair, ORDERED, ordered pair. Okay, the first ordered pair. Okay, let curly bracket A comma B is a set containing two elements called pair. This is a set containing two elements called pair. If we specify A is the first component, or first element and B is the second component or second element, then the pair becomes an ordered pair, and is denoted by ordinary bracket A comma B. This is called a set. It contains two elements in between two curly braces or curly brackets. This is called a set having A comma B is an element. A and B are two elements in a set. So we can write A comma B is equal to B comma A because it is a set. So in set we can write all the elements without any order. But here we specify A is the first component or first element and B is the second component or second element. Then the pair curly bracket A comma B becomes an ordered pair, and we denote ordinary bracket A comma B. So in this case we cannot interchange these two elements. In this case we cannot interchange in two elements, means दुईटा एलिमेंट को हम इंटरचेंज करि परिबा नाही. Okay, in this case we cannot interchange between them, interchange between A and B. between A and B, that is A comma B not is equal to order pair B comma A. A comma B not is equal to order pair A comma B comma A. If order pair A comma B is equal to B comma A, double implies A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Okay. Yes. In this case, we cannot interchange between A and B. Cannot interchange between A and B. That is, A comma B not is equal to B comma A. If A comma B is equal to B comma A, then A is equal to B. A is equal to कौन है पड़ो यदि B हम ताले A comma B is equal to कौन हम B comma A. Okay. But in case of set, curly bracket A comma B is equal to curly bracket B comma A. In case of set, but in case of ordered pair A comma B, order pair A comma B not is equal to order pair B comma A. If A is equal to B, then order pair A comma B is equal to order pair B comma A. Okay. Next, equality of two ordered pairs. Equality of two ordered pairs. Okay. Equality of two ordered pairs. Let A1 comma B1 is equal to A2 comma B2. Let A1 comma B1 is equal to A2 comma B2. Means A1 B1 is one ordered pair, A2 B2 is another ordered pair. Then first component of first ordered pair is A1 is equal to first component of second ordered pair. Means A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. If order pair A1 B1 is equal to order pair A2 B2, then A1 is equal to A2, B1 is equal to B2. Okay. मन रखो equality of two order pairs A1 B1 is equal to A2 B2, then A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. Okay. देखो एग्जाम्पल देखो ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल find x and y if x by 3 minus 1 by 3 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 7 by 3. Find x and y. Solution given x minus 1 by 3 comma y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 comma 7 by 3. So this implies x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. So implies x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. So implies x minus 1 is equal to 5. So implies x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Next, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. So implies y is equal to 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So implies y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, x comma y, order pair x comma y is equal to 6 comma 3. Order pair x comma y is equal to 6 comma 3. Okay. This is the answer. Order pair x comma y is equal to 6 comma 3. Okay. Next, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Okay. Suppose A and B. Suppose A and B are any two non-empty sets, then their Cartesian product of Cartesian product of set A with set B is denoted by A into B, is the set of all ordered pairs whose first element is a member of set A, and the second element is a member of set B. That is, A into B is equal to set of all ordered pair. तो ordinary bracket A comma B ordered pair such that first element means A belongs to set A, comma second element B belongs to set B. तो A into B is equal to curly bracket order pair A comma B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B. Similarly B into A is equal to order pair B comma A such that B belongs to set B comma A belongs to set A belongs to set A. Note, okay, note देखो, generally first point A into B not is equal to B into A into B not is equal to B into A, okay. Second, A into B is equal to B into A if and only if A is equal to B. A is equal to कौन B, okay. तो ये हमारा A into B is equal to B into A if and only if A is equal to B. This is a Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of कौन सा two sets, okay. Cartesian product of two sets actually. Next, Cartesian product of three sets. Cartesian product of three sets. तो ये लगा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू सेट्स, दुईटा सेट नहीं कराई, ओके. नेक्स्ट कौन करिया कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री सेट, तीनटा सेट नहीं करिया, ओके. तो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ थ्री सेट्स, लेट A B C are any three sets, then their Cartesian product their Cartesian product is denoted by A into B into C, denoted by A into B into C. Okay, the set A into B into C contains the set A into B into C contains collection of all ordered triplets, collection of all ordered triplets whose first element is a member of set A, comma second element is a member of set B, and the third element is a member of third set, member of set C, okay, that is A into B into C is equal to order of triplet small a, comma small b, comma small c, such that A belongs to set A, comma B belongs to set B, comma C belongs to set C. Okay, ఇలా order triplet ସେଇଠି ଆମେ ordered pair ପାଉଥିଲେ, ଏଠି ordered triplet. Okay, note 1, A square means what? A into A. A square means A into A is equal to order pair x comma y such that x comma y belongs to set A. Next to A cube means कौन? A into A into A, so A into A into A is equal to x comma y comma z, order triplet such that x comma y comma z belongs to set A. यला A cube. Okay, next 3, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, means satisfy कौन? Associative property. Okay, next 4, A into B is equal to 5, then at least one set is, then at least one set is empty set, is an empty set. At least one of the set is an empty set. Okay, 5th, if A1 comma A2 comma A3 up to n are n non-empty sets, non-empty sets, then their Cartesian product is A1 into A2 into A3 up to into n is the set containing set containing n tuples n tuples containing n tuples means n elements. Tuple means element. Containing n tuples, A1 belongs to capital A1, A2 belongs to capital A2, up to An belongs to capital An, such that so if A1, A2, A3 up to An are n non-empty sets, then their Cartesian product is A1 into A2 into A3 up to An. This is the set and A1 into A2 into A3 into into An is equal to A1, A2, A3 up to An, such that A1 belongs to capital A1, A2 belongs to capital A2, An belongs to capital An. This is the set containing n elements. It is n element अछि हला ऑर्डर पेयर और ट्रिपलेट. तो ये आसला कौन आसीबो ये ला n tuples. Okay. Number of elements in Cartesian product. Number of elements in Cartesian product. Number of elements in Cartesian product. Okay. If mode of A means n. Mode of A means set A containing n number of elements. Okay. Mode of B is equal to m. Mode of C is equal to small p. Okay. That means C containing p number of elements. Then first one, mode of A into B means number of ordered pairs in set A into set B is equal to mode of B into A, number of elements, not A into B. A into B not is equal to B unte, but number of elements in A into B is equal to number of elements in B into A. Number of elements equal, but A into B not is equal to B into A. Okay. So is equal to mode of A into mode of B is equal to n into m. Okay. 2 A into A is equal to A square mode is equal to n into n. It means n square. 3 A into A, number of elements in A cube is equal to n cube. Okay. 4 A into B into C is equal to A into mode B into mode C is equal to n into m into p, n into m into p, n into m into p. Okay. Suppose 5. Let or suppose A and B have R common element, elements, then A into B and B into A have R square common ordered pair. R square common ordered pair. R square common ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. R square common ordered pairs. Okay. If A and B, means suppose A and B have R common elements. Okay. Then A into B and B into A have R square common ordered pairs. R square common ordered pairs. Okay. Next 6. If either A or B has infinite sets, infinite element, then A into B and B into A have infinite number of ordered pairs. Infinite number of ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. Okay. Example नहीं पढ़ो. Example let A is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to set of natural number n. तो A into B means curly bracket 1, 2 into curly bracket 1, 2, 3 dot dot. So is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 dot dot, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 dot dot. Yes. So A into B, if at least means at least one of A or B is an infinite set. Infinite set means number of elements infinite, not countable. Then A into B contains infinite number of ordered pairs. Infinite number of ordered pairs. Okay. देखिए एग्जाम्पल देखिए. Let capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Capital B is equal to 2, 5. So A contains 3 element, B contains 2 element. Okay. Find A into B, comma B into A, comma A into A, comma B into B. Okay. Also find mod of A into B, comma B into A, comma A square, comma B square. Okay. अच्छा ठीक अच्छे. तो आंसर देखो ताहले. आंसर given A set is equal to 1, 2, 3. B set is equal to 2, 5. Okay. So A into B. First A into B means 1, 2, 3 into 2, 5. So is equal to first element of set A is multiplied with each element of set B. And we can write first element of set A, then second element of set B in ordered pair. Okay. तो अर्थ देखो 1 into 2. 1 into 2 not is equal to 2, but we can write here 1, 2. 1 into 2 means we write 1, 2. Not 1 into 2 means 2. 1 into 2 is 2 लिखी दबनी. 1, 2 लिखी. 1 into 5 means 1, 5. Next 2 into 2 means 2, 2. 2 into 5, 2, 5. 3 into 2, 3, 2. 3 into 5, 3, 5. Okay. This is A into B. Second B into A. B into first element belongs to set A. First element of this set belongs to set A. Second element of this set belongs to set B. Okay. Next B into A. 2, 5 into 1, 2, 3. So multiply karo. 2 into 1, 2, 1. 2 into 2, 2, 2. 2 into 3, 2, 3. 5 into 1, 5, 1. 5 into 2, 5, 2. 5 into 3, 5, 3. तो 3, 5 not is equal to 5, 3. तो ये ला B into A. Next 3 A into A. A into A. That means 1, 2, 3 into 1, 2, 3. Okay. So is equal to 1 into 1, 1, 1. 1 into 2, 1, 2. 1 into 3, 1, 3. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Next 4. B into B. B into B. So B should contain 2 elements. So 2, 5 into 2, 5. So is equal to 2, 2, 2, 5. 5, 2, 5, 5. Okay. So ये हमारा B into B. Next mode of A into B. Mode of A into B. Number of element. Number of element in A into means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mode of A into mode of B is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so B into A, same 6. Mode of B into mode of A is equal to 6. So देखा mode of A into B is equal to mode of B into A. But A into B not is equal to B into A. A into B not is equal to B into A. Whereas mode of A into B is equal to mode of B into A. Next mode of A into A. Mode of A into A means mode of A square is equal to 3 square means 9. देखो तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 order pairs. Next B into B means mode B square is equal to 2 square means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of order pair. अच्छा next A intersection B. A intersection B कितना देखो तो A intersection B कौन सी 2. Next देखो ठीक है A intersection B. A intersection B कौन देखो ठीक है A intersection B means common element कौन देखो 2 is a common element. तो mode of A intersection B कितना अच्छी 1. Mode of A intersection B कितना अच्छी 1. तो B intersection A तो A intersection B रे common element आसला 1. बट देखो number of common order पे देखो तो A into B रे A into B and B into A है number of common element. Number of common element. Number of common element. Common ordered pair. Order pair in A into B and B into A. देखो कौन सा होता कितना ऑर्डर पेयर कॉमन आसुची A into B एला A into B 1 2 2 1 कॉमन नहीं 1 5 5 1 कॉमन नहीं 2 2 कॉमन देखो 2 2 कॉमन आउ गुड़ा कॉमन नहीं 2 5 5 2 अच्छी 3 2 2 3 3 5 5 कौन 5 3 1 5 1 5 5 1 तो कॉमन ओनली 1 तो इज इक्वल टू कौन आसो 1. Number of common element. Number of common order pair means 2 2 2 because contains one element. तो 1 रा square 1 रा square फिर r square लिखा है तो r is equal to 1 तो r square means 1. Okay, तो number of common order pair is 1. Okay. Next diagrammatic representation of A into B. Diagrammatic representation of A into B. So there are two methods. One, arrow diagram method. Two, graphical or lattice graphical method. Graphical or lattice method. Okay, so one, arrow diagram. एटी कौन देख ना ए एंड बी आर टू सेट नवा तो एटा गोटे भेन डायग्राम करवा तार अपोजिट रे बी गोटे भेन डायग्राम करिया देख ओके तो लेट ए इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 बी इज इक्वल टू 4 5 तो ए इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 इंटू 4 5 is equal to 1 4 1 5 2 4 2 5 3 4 3 5 okay 3 4 3 5 तो a into b is equal to 1 1 4 1 5 2 4 2 5 3 4 3 5 okay ये ला a into b okay here we represent a into b here we represent a into b as arrow diagram as an arrow diagram okay that is the line segment starts from each element of set A and ended with each element of set B okay again we draw line segment we draw line segment starts from each element of set A and terminate as element of set B. Elements of set B. Okay. Elements of set B. देखो तो ये है A set, तो ये है B set. Okay. तो A contains 1 2 3 1 2 3. B contains 4 5. तो A एयर फास्ट नंबर 1 अच्छी तो 1 इज रिलेटेड टू 4 नेक्स्ट 1 सहित कौन नब 5 एयर मार देख 1 to 4 1 to 5 देन 2 to 4 2 to 5 देन 3 to 4 3 to 5 दिस इज कॉल्ड एरो डायग्राम मेथड तो 1 रिलेटेड विथ मीन्स 1 कौन हो तुम coincide with 4 and means 1 related to 4 and 5 this is 5 2 related to 4 and 5 3 related to 4 and 5 okay so 1 4 1 5 okay 2 4 2 5 3 4 3 5 this is called arrow diagram method next graphical representation okay next कौन अच्छी graphical representation और lattice diagram कहती नेक्स्ट lattice मेथड let A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 2 3. Okay, so A into B is equal to 1 2 3 into 2 comma 3. So is equal to 1 2 1 3 2 2 2 3 3 2 3 3. This is A into B. Okay, A into B. Okay, let कौन ना कहलो ना draw x dash o x and y dash o y are two perpendicular lines. Okay, we draw two perpendicular lines. We draw two perpendicular lines, x dash o x and y dash o y. Okay, this is x o x dash, y o y dash. The two perpendicular lines x dash o x and y dash o y. Okay, the elements of set A are in x axis and the element of set B are in y axis. Means x axis कौन करिवो A रो एलिमेंट जाक नबो, y axis रे कौन नबो B रो एलिमेंट जाक नबो. ओके, तो ठीक अछि. ठीक अच्छी. द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए, द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए आर along x-axis. Elements of A along x-axis. The elements of A are the elements of A along x-axis the elements of A can be taken along x-axis, and the elements of B can be taken along y-axis. Okay, that means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Next, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, next कौन करिवो, the dots, each dot is an ordered pair. Each dot means the dot आसीबो, से dot जब कौन सबू ordered pair हेलो नहीं. the point where they meet represent an ordered pair. देखो तो ये है 1, ये है 2. तो 1 ये पॉइंट है हमरो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर, कहीं 1 और 2 जो मीट करते से हमरो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. सिमिलरली 2 2 ये अनदर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर, दिस इज अनदर ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. ओके, तो ये ला डॉट, ये जो डॉट जा गोटे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. तो ये है कौन हमरो ये ऑर्डर्ड पेयर है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ए. तो 1, दिस इज 2, this is 2 comma 2, this is 3 comma 2. Next, this is another order pair 1 comma 3. Next, this is 2 comma 3 and this is 3 comma 3. Okay, so as a dot just asila, these dots are called one ordered pair. Means ये ordered pair, ये ordered pair, ये ordered pair. तो इटा को हमें कहाँ कहती graphical representation or lattice method. Okay. If A and B are two non-empty subsets, then show that A into B is equal to B into A if and only if A is equal to B. Means A into B is equal to B into A, then A is equal to B prove करिए पड़ियो. Again again if A is equal to B, then we need to show that A into B is equal to B into A. Next, if A is subset of B, then A into A is subset of A into B intersection B into A. Okay? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देख टिके प्रूव करिए हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 प्रूफ 1 लेट A into B is equal to B into A. To prove A is equal to B. ओके अच्छा A is equal to B मीन्स कौन देखा पड़ो ना A सबसेट ऑफ B देखा पड़े अगेन B सबसेट ऑफ A देखा पड़ो तो ठीक अच्छे तो लेट X belongs to A then X comma Y belongs to A into B for all Y belongs to B तो implies X comma Y belongs to A into B since it is B into A because A into B is equal to B into A. So this implies X comma Y belongs to B into A means Y belongs to A. Sorry, X belongs to A. X belongs to B. X belongs to B, Y belongs to A. Okay. So X belongs to B. Okay. अच्छा as X belongs to A implies X belongs to B, so this implies A is a subset of B. This is the equation 1. Again let Z belongs to B. Z belongs to B. So this implies T comma Z belongs to A into B. T comma Z belongs to A into B for all T belongs to A. So implies T comma Z belongs to B into A also. T comma Z belongs to B into A also because A into B is equal to kona B into A. So T comma Z belongs to B into A means Z belongs to A. Z belongs to kana A. As Z belongs to B implies Z belongs to A. So this implies B is a subset of A. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Again तो ये हमारा A into B is equal to B into A नले तो प्रूव है गला A is equal to B है गला. Next second part डल्ला first part डल्ला बर्तन second part means कौन ना if A is equal to B to prove A into B is equal to B into A. To prove A into B is equal to कौन B into A. Okay. Now A into B is equal to A into A because B is equal to A. This is equation 1. And B into A is equal to A into A, equation 2, since B is equal to A. So this implies A from 1 and 2 A into B is equal to B into A. Hence proved. Okay. तो ये लगा हमारा ये गोटे केस ना कि इफ एंड ओनली मीन्स ये ई पार्ट सी कौन देन पार्ट. ओके सेकेंड नंबर लेट A is subset of B. Okay, to prove A into A is subset of A into B intersection B into A. Okay, so let order pair A comma B belongs to. Okay, so let order pair A comma B belongs to A into A. So this implies A belongs to A comma B belongs to A. So implies A belongs to A comma B belongs to A and also A belongs to A comma B belongs to A because A into A intersection A into A is equal to A into A. Okay, A into A intersection A into A is equal to A into A. Okay, so this implies A belongs to A, comma B belongs to B, because A is subset of B. So जोटा A रे रहिला सेटा B रे भी रहिबो, and A belongs to A means A belongs to B, comma B belongs to A, since A is subset of B. So implies A belongs to A, comma B belongs to B means order pair A, comma B belongs to A into B, and order pair A, comma B belongs to B into A. So this implies A, comma B belongs to A into B and B into A. So A into B intersection B into A. Okay, therefore A, comma B belongs to A into A implies A, comma B belongs to A into B intersection B into A. That implies A into A is subset of A into B intersection B into A. A into B intersection B into A. Okay, hence proved. Okay, there are some questions. For any three sets A, B and C, prove that A into B union C is equal to A into B union A into C. Similarly, A into B into C is equal to A into B intersection A into C. Third number, A minus B into C is equal to A into C minus B into C. Fourth number, A into B dash union C dash is equal to A into C dash whole dash is equal to A into B intersection A into C. Okay, तो ठीक अच्छी गोटे दिन प्रूफ कर देख. प्रूफ 1 लेट इंटू अच्छी तो ऑर्डर पे ना एक्स कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू ए इंटू बी यूनियन सी. इंटू थे कौन नहीं ऑर्डर पे, इंटू ना सिंपली सिंगल एलिमेंट नहीं कर. तो लेट ऑर्डर पेयर एक्स कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू ए इंटू बी यूनियन सी. तो दिस इम्प्लाइज एक्स बिलंग्स टू ए कॉमा वाई बिलंग्स टू बी यूनियन सी. तो इम्प्लाइज एक्स बिलंग्स टू ए कॉमा वाई बिलंग्स टू बी यूनियन मीन्स और वाई बिलंग्स टू सी. नेक्स्ट एक्स बिलंग्स टू ए combines with B और A combines with C. तो x belongs to A, comma y belongs to B और x belongs to A, comma y belongs to C. तो x belongs to A, comma y belongs to B means x, comma y belongs to A into C, A into B और ये भी x, comma y ऑर्डर पेयर x, comma y belongs to A into C. तो दिस implies x, y belongs to A into B or means union A into C. Okay, therefore A into B union C subset of A into B union A into C. A into B union A into C. This equation 1. And आगु डबल इम्प्लेस कर दियो. डबल इम्प्लेस कले कौन हम अगेन तलू ऊपर जावा ना. सपोज एक्स कमा वाई ऑर्डर पेयर एक्स कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू ए इंटू बी यूनियन ए इंटू सी है. देन एक्स कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू इंडिविजुअल ए इंटू बी और एक्स कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू ए इंटू सी. देन एक्स बिलंग्स टू ए कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू बी और एक्स बिलंग्स टू ए कमा वाई बिलंग्स टू सी. देन एक्स बिलंग्स टू एटा कॉमन बाहर कर देव, वाई बिलंग्स टू बी और वाई बिलंग्स टू सी नब. नेक्स्ट इट बिकम्स वाई बिलंग्स टू बी यूनियन सी. नेक्स्ट ऊपर चलीगला ए इंटू बी यूनियन सी मीन्स तलू आथर ऊपर जीव. ओके, एंड ए इंटू बी यूनियन ए इंटू सी सबसेट ऑफ ए इंटू बी यूनियन सी. इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1 and 2 we get A into B union C is equal to A into B union A into C. Okay, ये question number 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज होमवर्क फॉर यू निजे कर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 टा है नहीं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आल्सो सेम का 3 नंबर लेट ऑर्डर पेयर x, y बिलोंग्स टू a माइनस b इंटू c। तो इंटू थे सब ऑर्डर पेयर हिसाब नहीं हम तो इम्प्लाइज x बिलोंग्स टू a माइनस b y बिलोंग्स टू c इंटू अच्छे ना एक्सटा फास्ट वाईटा सेकेंड जीव है तो इम्प्लाइज x बिलोंग्स टू a माइनस b अर्थ एंड x डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू b y बिलोंग्स टू c। तो इम्प्लाइज x बिलोंग्स टू a y बिलोंग्स टू c गोटे कर दियो एंड x डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू b y बिलोंग्स टू c। तो x टा a x बिलोंग्स टू a y बिलोंग्स टू c मीन्स तो x बिलोंग्स टू a इंटू c x बिलोंग्स टू x y बिलोंग्स टू a इंटू c एंड x नॉट बिलोंग्स टू b बट y बिलोंग्स टू c। तो x टा b रे नाही किंतु y टा c रे अछि तार अर्थ x y डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू b इंटू c x y डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू b इंटू c। ओके तो इम्प्लाइज x y टा a इंटू c रचे x y टा नहीं तो x y बिलोंग्स टू a इंटू c दिस इज माइनस b इंटू c a इंटू c माइनस b इंटू c देयरफॉर a माइनस b इंटू c सबसेट ऑफ a इंटू c माइनस b इंटू c इक्वेशन 1 ओके एंड डबल इम्प्लाइज पको डबल इम्प्लाइज ले कौन हम एंड a इंटू c माइनस b इंटू c सबसेट ऑफ a माइनस b इंटू c इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1 and 2 we get a minus b into c is equal to a into c minus b into c hence proved। next 4 number let x y belongs to a into b dash union c dash whole dash। तो implies x y belongs to a into यूज कर डिमरगन्स लॉ कौन चिन्ह a यूनियन b रो होल डैश इज इक्वल a डैश इंटरसेक्शन b डैश। तो ठीक अच्छी तो ये b डैश रो डैश यूनियन कौन हम इंटरसेक्शन c डैश रो डैश यूजिंग डिमरगन्स लॉ ओके। तो इम्प्लाइज x y बिलोंग्स टू a इंटू b डैश रो होल डैश मीन्स b इंटरसेक्शन c डैश रो होल डैश मीन्स c अगेन ए फॉर्म आसला a इंटू b इंटरसेक्शन c फॉर्म आसीगला a इंटू b इंटरसेक्शन c फॉर्म दिस इम्प्लाइज x बिलोंग्स टू a y बिलोंग्स टू b इंटरसेक्शन c इम्प्लाइज x बिलोंग्स टू a y बिलोंग्स टू b एंड y बिलोंग्स टू c। तो इम्प्लाइज x बिलोंग्स टू a y बिलोंग्स टू b and x belongs to a y belongs to c। तो this implies x y belongs to a into b and x y belongs to a into c। तो implies x y belongs to a into b intersection a into c। therefore a into b dash intersection c dash whole dash subset of a into b intersection a into c equation 1 and a into b intersection a into c अगर डबल इम्प्लाइज दियो डबल इम्प्लाइज and a into b intersection a into c subset of a into b dash union c dash whole dash equation 2 this is equation 2 from 1 and 2 we get A into B dash union C dash whole dash is equal to A into B intersection A into C. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. These are the homeworks for you. Question number 1. Let A 1 2 3 B 4 5 C 1 4. Find A into B into C. Second question, A into B into C. Third number, this is C, A into B into A into C. D, A into B union C. E, A into B union A into C. Question number 2. If A into B is equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, find A set and B set. Question number 3. If A is equal to minus 1 comma 1, find A into A. Question number 4. The Cartesian product A into A has 9 elements, among which are found minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Find the set A and remaining elements of A into A. Fifth one, express order pair x comma y such that x square plus y square 25, where x comma y belongs to set of integer z as set of order pairs. Okay, next class we shall do relations. Okay.